Partha Source World presents turning silver coins into copper coins. Chemicals required: methanol or methyl alcohol. Materials required: old nickel copper coins. Apparatus required: a pair of tongs, a beaker, and a heating setup. Procedure: at first, one old nickel coin is heated over the Bunsen flame till it turns nearly black in color. The heating is done till the coin starts out giving greenish flame of copper ions. In another beaker, we take about 50 ml of methanol. In that beaker, we add the heated coin. As the reaction starts, the silver coin turns into copper coin. This is a reaction based on double boiling effect or Leidenfrost effect. We take the coin out with a pair of tongs. We place another old nickel coin nearby this coin. The heated coin changes color to that of a copper coin. One can easily mark the difference. Chemistry behind turning of silver coins into copper coins. Nickel copper coin contains nearly 25% of copper in it. Once heated strongly, the copper atoms present inside move around because of the heat excitement, and a coating of copper is formed over the coin. When the coin is put in the methanol, it boils very fast and bubbles of the gas are formed over the surface of the coin. This is known as double boiling effect. Hope you have enjoyed this demonstration. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.